How to repeat YouTube videos automatically. First, they will launch YouTube app, and you need to note that YouTube directly do not give us the way in order to repeat YouTube videos automatically. But instead, what you can do is simply you need to tap on three dots of any particular video, and here tap on Save to Playlist. You can easily save this video to existing playlist or create one, tapping new playlist at top right. Now here you can easily add the title for this playlist, and after that tap on create button at bottom of your screen. Now here you can tap on profile icon at bottom right corner, and here you will see the list of playlist. Tap on view all. Now you need to go to that particular video playlist and tap to open it. Now you need to play the video, and here you will see the two arrow icon at left. Select that. Now this video will be repeated automatically once you play. So that was it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.